All right, we got this amazing Patelai elastic nose bandage. As you can see, I'm already wearing it. Let me show you. This is how I'm wearing it. Great. I got to be careful of any medical claims, but great if something's going on inside your nose and it's catching it. It's great support. You don't need to be using a Kleenex or any sort of other way of doing it. This thing is very easy. The way it slides on, let me actually take it off to show you. This is the way it looks. There's a total of 20 of them. So there's 20 of them. I got 20 of them here, but you can actually get as many as you'd like. But this is the way it looks right here. And it easily stretches. So it's nice cotton and bandage material. You just bring it across, slide it around your ears, and you're good to go. If this is the way you want to do it, and that's it. That's all you need. So straight up, this is perfect, and I highly recommend it.